Today I'm going to show you how to format multiple cards or visuals in Power BI. This is incredibly useful when you want to maintain consistency across your dashboard without having to format each card individually, saving you tons of time and effort. First, open your Power BI desktop application. Once it's launched and your report is visible, we can begin the formatting process. The key here is learning how to select multiple elements at once, which is simpler than you might think. To select multiple cards, click on one card first. Then hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click on another card. This selection method allows you to grab as many cards as you need in one go. You'll notice that all selected cards will be highlighted, indicating they're ready for batch formatting. Now direct your attention to the right side of your screen where you'll see the Visualizations panel. Within this panel, click on the Format icon. This opens up all the formatting options available for your selected cards, giving you control over their appearance. Let's start customizing. Click on Callout Value. This section controls how the main numbers or values appear on your cards. Here you can adjust the font size to make your data more prominent or easier to read. Go ahead and increase or decrease the size based on your preference. You can also make the text bold to add emphasis and ensure your key metrics stand out on the dashboard. Next, click on General in the formatting options. From there, select Properties. This is where you can fine-tune the dimensions of your cards. Adjust the height and width to ensure all your cards are uniform in size. Consistent sizing creates a professional, polished look across your entire report. Now here's an important tip to keep in mind. You can only format multiple visuals if they are of the same type. Power BI won't allow batch formatting of different visual types together. To demonstrate this, try clicking on one visual, then hold the Control key and click on a different type of visual. You'll notice that the format options become unavailable or grayed out. This happens because Power BI needs the visuals to share the same properties in order to apply changes across all of them at once. And that's it. You've now learned how to efficiently format multiple cards in Power BI, keeping your dashboard consistent and professional looking. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.